Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you join us from. Please share the telecast. I have an important message I want to pass. I'm just sharing tears and what is happening in Igbo now. Uh, it's not something one will just start looking. First and foremost, you're welcome to Zion City Igbo Liberation. My name is Prophet Yahweh Dibia, who God sent to destroy the kingdom of darkness and to save in Igbo. I'm Dr. Chuka Dibia G4 Chukwuwan of Igbo land. Reason why I want to make this video because I want to clarify something. This is the time to serve Igbo land. This is not the time to gather crowd, deceiving people, lying to people. I think this is not the right time to do that. This is not the time to say I have a big church. My church is the biggest church. This is not the time to do that. This is the time we must tell ourselves the truth. Let me play this song first to entertain you while I'm getting ready to what I want to say. God bless you. You're welcome. I'm going to now join in share this record. I have 3 pages. This Prophet David Yahweh, Spiritual Doctor PhD is my page, prophetic page. Follow it. Then my ministry page is Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, Lagos. Follow it. Then my Igbo page, I have opened Igbo page because of we must go back to the roots. If we're not in our own tradition and domain, the Umu Ofeke, we hijack it and teach people another thing in the name of worshiping idols. So I open a page to be addressing and to be teaching the true Omenana of Chukwu. So follow the page, High Priest Dr. Chukwu Kadibia, +234 903 222 6076. Agana Agoji, Agana Atunzu, Agana Emedo, our tradition on that page. So because of people that don't Igbo, so you will not say it's diabolical. The reason why I'm doing this is because I was sent for my people. So I have to represent it, both the culture, both the tradition, but not to worship idol. I have to represent. So I've opened the page. So I will separate myself into 3 now to serve you. This page is where I'll be exposing, talking so many things and fighting the kingdom of darkness. Then the other one is ministry. You just have to be just worship on the Zion City. Then this page now is just for more of Igbo. I'm going to be using on the High Priest Dr. Chukwu. Please follow the 3 page. I have message and I have deep revelation. I have things to show you. This is why I'm doing this. So I'll be able tomorrow. If you've been judging, you see, I'm a physical pastor. I'm a pastor. I'm a prophet. Nothing wrong with using orgy. Nothing wrong with you praying. Nothing wrong with dressing like a time. So nothing wrong with it. If we keep on learning from our shadow, people will use the advantage to be doing what? To be taking many people to idol worshipers. So this is half time. People like Mbaka Ebuka Obi, Odumenje, Prophet Dibia, we should come out and also incorporate tradition in the what? In your ministry. Then you start removing anything that look like fake. This is not the time to say Mary is mother of God. No. People already know that Mary is white, a black woman. This is not the time to defend Jesus. No. People already know that Jesus is a black man. People know that Jesus, this is why Jesus is Satan, is Zeus. So the area we start doing that, the area we save more people. But the area you try to say you're gathering more people, the area those people start hearing some teachings, and when they find out the truth, you can't bring them back. Most of them will jump into kingdom of darkness. Many of them will join into occultic. Most of them will join into witches and wizards. So this is the time I look at it. Many of you, if you see the one doing things, you say, I'm native. I'm not like I'm native or something. No, I am not. But when Akwa Okuku then come with Okite, I have to bring something that close to Okite. I was just here solving people problem in the spirituality, giving them something close to it. So now they brought something like Mathias brought something like church. You have to bring another thing that close to that to encounter that Mathias is doing. If not so, you're going to have a lot of followers and they will become so strong because along the line, you may not have attacking them, preaching without evidence, without showing anything. cannot stop them. What stops Akwa is, Akwa was being Gino Kit. I came back, I'll start this spiritual work. People see that it's working. So they leave the Okit and start following the one that is working. So if he say, Mazi Dibia, he call Yahweh Satan, and you're there defending, no. You have to come there. Then who is Satan? Shukwabi. And you know there's a Shukwu, and you're worshiping Alusi. So how does Alusi become? So you have to be there. You don't stay at all outside of the contest, begin to shout. They are doing this one. All those are the days to go, them do that. They should call, let me impart them power. It should come with have power, so you don't just talk empty mouth. So how we are going to defeat them? Every Christian should come. Come, listen, this is not time to fight war. I told you I've forgiven everybody, I know they fight war. But this idea I brought just to save our people. Just one way. This is the time to speak the truth. This is not the time about religion or no religion. I have crowd, I have no crowd, I have church, I have no church. This is nonsense. Because having church, people go to your church, they go back tomorrow and start going to idol. Have you served them? It doesn't make any sense. Mathias, he was a Mbaka boy. All of them was there. They left Mbaka and go and open their own idol church. It doesn't make sense. But if you have imparted them, rooted them, teach them that tradition. You know, when you teach your children now, your female girl, you can have boyfriend, but protect yourself. Look at this, so they will be aware of it. But whereby he said anytime they have sex, they will do what? They will get pregnant. But it's not the truth. Now, when they go outside, their girlfriend, their female friend will teach them. From there, the girl will now start hiding it for you. From school, they will leave and go to their boyfriend house because you're hiding it for them. But if you allow your children to have boyfriend, they will go and come back. They can even bring their boyfriend, you know them. Then it will be more safety for you that you know who is dating your daughter, that Adam. So if we come and say, we are Christian, we don't have anything to do with tradition, who told you? Jesus is not a Christian. This is not fight now. Before you come to comment section, just what I want you to do, share and like. If you don't like what I'm saying, just make comment. No hate speech. This is not to that we are fighting with Ebuka Obi or Akwa Okuku. We are not fighting anybody. We are just putting them there to just teach something. So, please, kindly share. Kindly follow, love, like, drop your comments. I have a very message I want to pass. Kindly support Zion City Igbo. When you're gonna like this message of today, know that he doesn't love Igbo. Igbo Liberation Movement. Igbo Liberation, going back to the roots. The message is going back to the roots. Nobody can stop going back to the roots. It's not possible. Because he cannot use lie to fight. I'm a spiritual warrior. I stand on justice. So you don't fight losing fight. You don't fight losing fight. I don't fight losing fight. And whereby you're lying, you can't win. So no matter how crowd you have as a Christian, you will still go down. You still go down. So it's not about gathering crowd. It's all about saving more people. How do we save our people? This is not the time to lie. How do we save our people? It's kindly share to support, share to all group to support Zion City, support Igbo Liberation. If you have a message, please drop the message. No hard speech. No, don't come and say your mumu or this one. If you have wisdom, bring it out. Don't go and hide under comment section and be lighting trash. If you have high, it can be okay. Bring it. People are going to idle, and Tomorrow, many people will start dying. They will begin to sick. They will begin to have attack. I just deliver one guy now. So all those things are things we should tackle, not who own the highest member, who have the highest church. No, that is not the message. That is not why we are here. Having members is nothing to do with telling people the truth. You can gather all the members. Nobody cares about that. It's only fools that think gathering member make you a man of God. So which denomination that Jesus belonged to? They are nothing like Jesus. My brother, which denomination that nothing like Jesus? Jesus was fake. The name is called Yeshua. If you want to ask the denomination where Jesus belonged to Jew, Sabbath. So not like Christianity, Jesus. Christianity, Jesus was a man-made God, which by Emperor Constantine, Roman Empire, introduced fake God called Zeus. So if you want to talk about Jesus, the denomination which Jesus believed, not Christianity, it's Judaism. So let us, everybody should come. Tag all the whole, tag Ebuka Obi, then tag Mbaka, tag Odumenje, tag Akwa Okuku, tag Mathias, tag Mazi, Dibia, tag Nmiri, Eweilo, tag all those people. I have something I want to tell them. Anybody that say what I'm saying is not the truth, let him come out and defend it. Both native doctor, both church. Let us. Anybody that say what I'm going to say now is not the truth, you should defend it. You should come out and defend it. I want to enhance this because of noise on this background, so it will not be too much. Now, I wanted to put sound, but I said no. Why I will not put sound is because I may want to cut the video, that I use the sound I want to use. So let me leave it pray. Thank you very much. Please invite people. I want this broadcast to go. I want us to gather like maybe 100 people watching. Please share, invite somebody. This is not against tradition. This is not against Christianity, but this is the reality. You know, you probably buy in a web. If I come out now and begin to talk about something, you will get empty. You start enmity. No. Can't. Na-ebu Bible every day. Na-akụzi Bible. Na-agwa ndị mmadụ banyere Jesus is coming, Jesus is coming. Ndị mmadụ do busy n'aba na arụsị. Ha do busy n'aba na mmụọ mmiri. Do busy n'aba. If this is not touching you, it's touching me because I know what is coming. I know how dangerous it to be. I know how I'm going to use Igbo. I'm how bad it is. N'ije ede n'oke ite. N'ije eje buru arụ buru agụ. N'ije eje fee mmụọ mmiri. Now, if you see me in the water, that's why I always bring something close to the Satan. It must match Satan face to face. Satan appeared to Jesus Christ face to face on the mountain. So, if you want to win Satan, you don't run away from Satan. You attack. If you fray, defeat you, he must come. They say we are battling against the principalities and powers. Ancestral powers. Those ancestral demons, they are more wiser than you. Share the telecast. I've never seen. Share it. Drop your comment. Everybody that is watching, let me know where you're watching from. Drop your comment. Just drop your comment. Ask your question. I'm going to be answering it. Whatever I write here, I'm going to be look at it. I'll answer the question. Drop your message and I have code. I was on the list Jew in the night. I was praying. So. Anything you don't understand, anything you want to ask about me, don't come and be gazing. Oh, this man, wait. If you don't, anything you don't like about me, drop it, type it, I will answer you. This was not fight. This is to clarify so many things. Are we going to go back to the roots? Sure. We are right back to the roots. A guy has said, you don't go talk say Igbo, you don't want to do tradition because you're not Goka. You must do tradition. But now, which tradition are we going to do? If we are not here to enlighten people about the right way to go about it, tomorrow they will start worshiping idol. If I tell you that Igoji is bad, if I want to marry now, you see me, I want to marry or something, now Goji, how will you feel? No. So we must differentiate this thing. If you say water is bad, I will tell you why water is not bad. And I will give you a reason why you have to use water. Because water is very powerful. So you can't run away from the nature. You can't run away from the reality. This is why you look at, they are winning you because you're fighting for Jesus. Mathias is there using Jesus to fight you. If you stop fighting for Jesus, Mathias will cripple. You're fighting for Jesus. Now, when people find out, they go out, they find out Jesus is not the name. Have you win? It's deception. So you have known the truth. If you did not tell people the truth, they're going to find out the truth tomorrow, they go. That's why you don't use lie to rule people. If you want to be a good leader, you must lead by truth. So even when they find out the truth, they will stay with you. But if you read people with lies, when they find out truth, they begin to decamp. That's why I see people like Mathias. He was a Mbaka boy. He come out. He have went to India. I understand that Nmiri is being worshipped as water. He came back and burned Bible and begin to tell you that India worship doesn't worship God, worship the Christian. Because it's the same thing. The same idol mode as Mary is what in their mode they used to worship their goddess. That is number 1 point. Second point is this. The name of Jesus Christ, if you go to Israel, they don't believe in Jesus. And you claim you worship the God of Israel. But the people that you claim you worship, when they go to Israel, they find out not like Jesus. That is second point. The third point is this. The people that God give the Bible are pro-Jew. They are Zionites. Zionite is not Roman. They are Igbo, they are Jews. Now, those people, they have the particular day they keep the covenant that God gives to them. So if you claim you worship that the same God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, Israel, what is different from Sunday and the Saturday is too much. So you can't claim to be using Bible. You can't claim to liberating Christian. You can't claim to telling your people the truth. Why you claim the Bible you're reading is from Israel? Why the Israel they are worshiping on Saturday and you're worshiping Sunday? So these are the things. If you come to that one, the people are getting it first, they are Sabbath people. Whether I call them fake or I call them this one, they are the one getting it right. Christianity, you don't get it right. Number one, Sunday, fake. Jesus, fake. Everything, fake. Mary, fake. Mostly fake. Everything you're doing, fake. So how will people believe in what you're doing? You may leave if you don't want to watch. But I'm here to drop. This is a very important message. So if you think by shouting, Jesus is coming, people are deeply going to, God opened my eyes last week before. That's why my first time of God. Okay, friend, I went to show it. Why I do that? I know people will talk that they want to talk, let it end. Because clear conscience, fear no accusation. People like Governor Ezioku, J Park, I know the influence they are going to give to people, our people. Now they have went to idol places. So many people, baby Christian, we say people like Shanamite, people like Governor Ezioku, Nagapuna idol. That's me, that is the way. Now, Governor Ezioku want to promote their idol in their places. He come into Anambra State to fight Dr. and he want to go and promote J Park. He want to go to Mbaka and promote your native doctor. And you come to Anambra State and castigate. See, anybody anytime the guy talk about anything, if you call for yourself, say one call and say, take knife, break your head. Criminals. He can Zion move, he cannot kid. Why they as Governor Ezioku and J Park, why they have never spoke about bad against Akwa Okuku? Why Governor Ezioku know they spoke bad against him? Because if he's truly a Shanamite, I don't know that Mary is evil, he's against God. Why is the Governor Ezioku? If you're not Pacha, don't go to Anambra State and harass anybody again. If you do, they will go mean for you. Now, Yara, go to your village and do that nonsense. So you are coming as a Shanamite, you don't know that worshiping Mary is set up. Share it to him. You're going to Anambra State to harassing people so they will see you. These are people that was working with Akwa Okuku. When I defeated them, all of them enter into my own district. It's my preaching. Convanet is doing. As the where are they 2022? Ask all of them. They came to blackmail me and hack my page. Son of devils. Convanet practicing. Port Harcourt to go church. Port Harcourt is occultic city. These are Mr. Carica practice. Some book of Moses, that's what they use there. That's why he can do like that, doctor. He can do. And we will not the same thing with me. You can't compare me with Onyez or Odumenje Ebuka. I am endowed with power. Operate from the higher realm. Gente. If Governor Zoku send a liar, they talk. Make a come for street, do miracle. Use that your power, do miracle, make you see. Don't come and show us pigeon inside box. Don't come and show us this person is. That's not the work. God will know that is the Caesar. I'm against any native doctor that is doing evil. If you're eating people money, you should pay. We're against that. But that is not the message. You cannot see Ebuka Obi, you can't tell Ebuka Obi about Nmiri. But you're busy pursuing my brothers. That means you're protecting Ndungobara. You're protecting the Imo State. You're coming to Anambra to harass my people. If you want to fight justice, like me, you know me, I fought Akwa. So if I want to fight Ebuka Obi now, you come out. Who are you? Call the police you there. Because you're from Imo State. They thought they're fighting Akwa Okuku. They thought they're fighting Akwa Okuku. You're from Anambra State. Why didn't I cover you? This is author of justice. Almost exposed everywhere. If Mbaka do evil, I told him. That's how to know. You come out for justice. You can't come. Okay, you're telling JPAC not to go to Alusi. Carry JPAC. Let him go to Alusi. There's thousands of Alusi in Igbo and Ibuku in Anambra State. Why does he have to be in Gobad? Go to Agubabuna or go to Akwa Okuku. Go to many Alusi in Anambra State and take oath. Go to Gubabokija. Or go to Nmiri Jig. You're going to Ngobad. What are you trying to prove? You want to tell us that Ngobara is powerful in idol. That's what you're trying to do. This is games. If you don't understand it, this is what they do. They came, try to establish my image to promote Ebuka Obi. And people like fool, JPAC and the James, what they call James Agbola and the what they call Ezugo, fools, you don't have sense. You're using you to bring your own brother down to promote their own. Since when I don't do an apacha, since JPAC no get sense, let me tell you what the game that Governor Zoku is praying. He carry you to go and promote their own idol. So people will be calling him and giving him money. He will taking them there. Why they not go feel go to that one they're going to? No. You have gone to Zion. You don't see anything bad there. When the man come out with this thing, with the padlock key, you people cover it up. Because Ebuka Obi. See, I've watched all of you understand the gate that you people are praying. We don't thank God Ebuka Obi disappointed you. I see you crying. Hey, after all the battle, we'll fight for him. Who can you fight for God? You only go there to fight to get money, and the Ebuka Obi end up not giving you money. You're disappointed. Fools. You're nobody. What you are, you just scammers. You scammers calling other people scammers. It's under my platform, both Ebuka Obi trend. Convanet Zoku. Ijo Wezugo is under my platform. It's what I created. It's what I fought. Show me your video where you make for 2020. Show me your video where you make for 2021. Show me video where you make for 2022. Let us see your direction. You have come. This time, I want to now do tradition. So if you do, because of you that follow me, I'm making this video, I'm making an appeal. Everybody that follow me, I still send the Yahweh, no. We still stand for what we stand. But this time, we cannot run away from the truth. We can't run away from shadow. I've discovered this thing 2015. That is why I know they talk about it. I was quiet until Ebuka Obi come out and begin to call other people fake. When I became angry. Ebuka Obi they call prophet will go for water fake. Are you watching Nmiri? Are you not fake? Tell me. So if you talk, make everybody close mouth. Who are you? If they talk, when you know, say you're doing it, you're not doing it right. Before you come out and talk, it must be right. If I tell you, I'm worshiping Yahweh. If you say Yahweh is Satan, good and fine. Kedafa Yahweh ni Igbo, kedafa Chukwu ni Igbo. Chukwu abi, kedafa Nnaza, Chukwu ka Dibia abi. Forget about Yahweh. When we go to Israel, we know whether an idol or something. In Igbo language, kedafa Chukwu. Kedafa Chukwu. Abu Mary? No. Afachukwu Abu Jesus? No. Afachukwu Abu Amadioha? No. Afachukwu Abu Gini? Abu Nmiri Enwi? Abu Samari? No. Afachukwu Abu Ekwensu? No. Afachukwu Abu Amadioha? No. So why should it be? Even if you claim that Yahweh is set up, so why wouldn't you teach them Chukwu? You still carry them to idol. You still carry them to marine kingdom. You still carry them to water. Is that water? Is it Chukwu there? These are the things. These are the teaching. So if we start running away from telling them from the truth, people will keep on going to idols, thinking that is the way. So we must come and defend our land. How do we defend our land? By speaking the truth, by showing them this is not the way, see the way, this is not the way, see the way, this is not the way, see the way. If we are busy saying Akwa Okuku is doing Okite, in order to prove to him how you can do it, if Okite is bad, then which way can I follow? You don't have any solution. You don't have any solution. Mathias is telling you that you should not drink olive oil. He's trying to provide hospital, which have been into existence before him, but he's making point. But he's not really making point, but there's so many sickness which he cannot cure in the hospital. 50% chance people that died in the hospital is spiritual thing that killed them. But he's doing something. But if you're there shouting, hey, Jesus, you're fighting for Jesus that is fake. I've once do that. When I realized that it's not truth. I don't, anything that is not true, like I vow not to write or deceive in Igbo. Anything that is not truth, I don't fight for it. That's why I can't fight Mathias. If they call Jesus, I go look at laugh. Jesus no be them. He said I will fight Mathias, I will fight Mazi. The reason why would I fight Mazi? That is the Hebrew name. So go to Israel and tell them Yahweh is Satan. It's not our own language. So you have not made any point. Yahweh is Satan. When I reach to Israel, that is Yahweh for them. It's like when you say Uruwa is Satan. When I reach Yoruba land, we come and tell them that Uruwa is Satan. It's like when you go Allah, you say Allah is Satan. Go to Hausa land and tell them, they will cut your head. So don't come and be confusing people. Hey, Yahweh, you know, Yahweh, see, it has no meaning. Yahweh, see, could I say all of you? You know when he said nobody is there to defend? I've come. I know I answered with Yahweh. I have encounter. They can't challenge me in things of power, in things of spirituality. Forget about theory. Anybody can go to school and carry this man and making noise. Whereby you have weekly, whereby you cannot solve spiritual problem, you're nothing. You're a fake Dibia. Any Dibia that cannot do healing, any Dibia cannot solve spiritual problem, life and not fear and camera, you're a fake Dibia. You're a fake. Get away from the Lord. Don't worry. All those Oji will compress it into the ministry. All of them are part of the God work. The Oji, the Uzu, the Edo, all of them are part of God nature. So we can't run away from it. It's like you see water, that you not go drink water. Not be water with this. Who own the water? Not be God. God will never say don't use Uzu, don't use Edo, don't use Oji. All these are natural things. These are what God made natural. What God said, don't watch idol. So you're doing traditional pharaohs, you're child of Satan. So start knowing this. These are the different things. These are the teaching. So don't come and confuse us. Hey, Yahweh is Ekwensu. No. Go to Israel and tell them Yahweh is Ekwensu. If you come back alive, you know what you're saying. Come to Yoruba land and tell them Oruwa is Satan. Go to Hausa, tell them Allah is Satan. If they don't cut your head as Mazi, you are there worshiping Ekwensu. What justify you? So you can worship your idols, so they will feel, oh, they are worshiping. You know. If you say Jesus is Satan, I don't worship Jesus. I've known that since a long time ago. I am the first African prophet to preach about black Jesus. So by now, I believe Mbaka Obi have known the truth. Start telling people the truth. What does it profit a man to get the whole world and use this? All the whole money that you make, what are you going to use it to do? The small one I have saved, what can I eat? Come on. Mbaka Obi, can you eat one full chicken a day? Mbaka Obi, if they give you one full goat, you go fish up and finish. So why you not go feed the open mouth to tell people the truth? See, this is not the hour to tell them, come and worship Mary. This is the hour to tell them who Mary is. This is the hour to tell them that why Jesus is fake. This is the hour to tell them about Chukwu, one true God. In Igbo land, in Yoruba, is Oruwa. In Hausa, is Allah. In the Hebrew language, is Yahweh. That is it. One true God. This is the where people are going now. If you don't do that, you know you're wasting your time. No matter how I want to do, no matter how I read rosary, no matter how I preach it, people must convert to the originality because people are tired of Christianity, deception, and deceive. Anything that doesn't have truth can't stand. When I was telling you that Jesus is a black man, nobody had brought the picture. But the pity come. But he's not even a white person. Russia press said, come on, I don't know. You know, Everything truth can enter somebody. I'm not telling my Catholic like that, but how do I know this? It was revealed to me. I let saw a girl from death. Mary appeared. They promised me billion. I reject it. I fight. I kill over to one. With this war take me. I'll show you the girl when it was 10 years. I show you in Anambra State the program there when it was 14 years. That is somebody that died when it was 4 years. They have left the night. Would have died. So all will try to do all this thing. That doesn't mean we are getting. If he's getting that I came to gain, I won't talk about those things. But he's paying me. Because I know what it is when you get time for Charles. I'm before. That's why I'm crying and shouting every day. Don't go to idol. Don't go to this. They won't tell you the truth. They will not tell you the truth. Because if they tell you the truth, how would they make their money? If they tell you the truth, how would they make their money? They can't. They can't see money. They can't see money. If someone tell you the truth, what do you go eat? If pastor tell you the truth, who come to church? So they keep on keeping you. So you remain in bondage. So why you're giving tithe and offering? Because if they tell you, if they solve your problem, I mean now, would they solve people problem? That's why we'll not get forward like that. If they come, we'll solve their problem. Now church, when they solve people problem, they see crowd. If people they come to solve their problem, why would they be there? People have gone there for how many, every season, they travel for America, travel. Because you don't solve the problem. If you solve the problem, they go. And the devil don't want your problem to be solved. Pastor don't want your problem to be solved. Native doctor don't want your problem to be solved. You want the problem to be solved halfway so you can become out to do a kita. Because if you solve your problem, you won't come back again. But I'm not going to like this one. And let me pray, Ebe Governor Ezokupo. Zion will move. People that fought me and blackmail me and worshiping Satan. Look at them. I don't worship us. No kid and no cottage. See them.
In this village.
See them.
Watch Ukuya.
Only this thing has caused so many damage in Christendom because they believe that they know God.
The core ingredients of this town does not eat this. On our boy, I had deal with that here on Ayas and our forefathers told us about this. This tree is more than 5,000 years. It's more than 5,000 years.
You see, not Jesus.
I think it's the tallest tree in Mbaka. Yes. Almost the tallest in Imo State. So, all the noble. Now, when J Park came, or we're seeing Arabia here, we prove his innocence over the allegations they leveled against him. And I said there's no need for that. But he insisted. I said, you can only come here to pray. You can only come here to ask Chukwu Okike. But hence he's here.
Okay, now, is it the tree that is Chukwu Okike or Chukwu Okike is you see, there's become a lot of deception. Chukwu Okike is Chukwu. It's different from Chukwu Okike Abioma. It's different from idol. That the same Chukwu Okike too is against idol worship. After this, I will explain something. Let me pray this. Governor Okwasi, these are the people. Now they are fighting for God. Look at them.
Over the allegations against
Zion warrior team.
And I said there's no need for that. But he insisted. I said you can only come here to pray. You can only come here to ask Chukwu Okike. But hence he's here. Then I will hand over.
Please share the telecast.
Continue.
Then
if you wish to pray, if you wish to say anything, you can go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, my brother, you're welcome.
Jepa Kewu.
Thank you very much.
Afonso. You're promoting idol in Mbaka. You will not preach about. You don't carry Bible preach for them.
Ya bịa ebe a ọma nla ya mana ebe ịbatakwa na taa chọrọ ipufu ụwa
Dibia ndị nọrọ wood
na aka gị dị ọcha imechaa ị ga-ala n'udo kama ọ bụ ndị iro gị ndị ga-eburu akụkọ ọjọọ ga-eburu ihere
ihe ọ bụla ọnụ gọrọ ebe a ga-eme n'isi ụmụ ncha niile because people are criminal.
Obodo a na-akpọ ụmụọkpọ ntu
ụmụọkpọ ntu ndị gay
ancient kingdom.
Obodo dị alụ na-akpọ ntu
ọwụ asị ka m tọrọ mana onye si na ọwa asị ya gwazie onye ndị awụ ndị mbụ If Jesus came 2,000 years ago and this tree is more than 5,000 years ago, you should know who is the senior. So, my brother.
You see Blasphemy. Where Jesus is fake, so I don't believe in Jesus. You see why? You see what they are doing now? They want to label Jesus. They want to label Jesus to become small than the idol. This is how they manipulate people. These are the same people that come out from Zionites. People that had to be recruited to fight other ministry. They hack my page. They label me evil because of the money they are getting. So when the money stops coming, okay, now they now want to show you the true color. This is idol worshiper. You remember that Convanet and the JPAC, they was working with Akwa at the time. I was fighting with them. They tried to arrest me. They try everything they want to do. All their judges scattered them all. He went to do his own. JPAC went to do his own. Akwa, they put my name in more than 5,000 idols. And Igbo would not appreciate it. And one that saved Igbo land from those calamity would have fallen upon them. After the battle, Ebuka came out. I don't want to keep the to look like if he's the one. Listen, a man with idea, he can't stop him. Like what I'm preaching now, I'm going to do now. Watch 2025, see preaching. We are not fighting any native doctor. We are not fighting anybody. But I will use the power of God to be what? Pushing them away. Because he can't preach about tradition, intimacy. Tradition is spirituality. So you don't have power, like all this what Mathias is doing. He does because you're giving them food, you're giving them money. You don't have the spiritual power to see if you call as a leader, he must possess power. We know how can you rule without power? He must possess power. What power do you possess? Okay, let us finish this one. JPAC is stopping. So they will not say there's no video there, no evidence. The evidence is for them to destroy Okuku Obi Zion. So people can start going to idol worshiper. The Chana Mountain, the Obontu village. Share it to the cost. Tago Odumenje, Tago Mbaka, Tago Ebuka Obi. How do I get into it?
I remember it too. After Naga, and Bidaka. After Maga go na one evening, I have a dozen JPAC.
Mbaka, your joy name.
Chief MC, Chief microphone. How many go? People entertain. I can tell us that JPAC they go. When they boom, Gina boom made it. How many even they boom? Na social media. No one came as Yoku. More than money Barangata, more Chiche, more work as Wiz, more Batangata. In any angle. When
everybody should share this telecast.
I'm for next year. Or for
JPAC here, I won't come before next year because I'm going to make a that's what I'm going to do.
Where's the agenda? Where's the I never been before. Now we'll go image you. We'll work we'll go this.
Okay, and we'll image. We're going to just Agabora. Ijowa, Ezugo, came on A. More than 50 bloggers. Blogging against one person. Talking that I went to college, I going to Gambia. Who know here? That I went to Gambia, I went to Senegal. A place I've never been before. I've been to UK, I've been to Dubai, I've been to Singapore. But all those areas I mentioned, I've not been there. Just because of King with the fans. And those are now my ego 500,000, 200,000. Mineko. Now you forget, you're not more than what God. I wasn't taking it serious. I was thinking it's just a joke. But when I find out that it's when I take it serious when they come hack my page. You know, just like what I was saying, hacking page. I was thinking it's a joke. It's when they hack my page. Now I begin to see different demon attack. I said, no, these people, I need to give them a small lesson. I give them one attack. Give them 1 cent back to sender. Mbaka and Ebuka Obi crash. Akozana and Jepa crash. I crashed all of them running. I said, come on, if not the fee. This is not what happened now. I know I told you, go and watch the video I made for that, for him. I am the spiritual world. But I have forgiven him. I told him to go ask she has sent me for a message. Go and ask for forgiveness. I have forgiven all of you. But you're still there causing more problem by talking. You know, maybe. In a gang go bar, a ganaras. Now it's government the bread. But where shall God say in the time, ask me who free call, I see where government could belong. Because in your evil days, what you present to us is what you believe. If you can provide one native doctor or cultic man that said, they provide evidence, come and take house that worth 100 million in Lekki. Anybody who can prove that native doctor want more, this is what they did to rubbish my own name to promote Ebuka Obi ministry. So if you look at our better will relax. She will not be Mary. Mary is fading away. He can't stand. Let me tell you, whether anybody talk about it or not talk about it, people are waking up. We are the waking one. So if you want to do a pastor, if you want to do a pastor survive, you must incorporate tradition in your pastoral system. You see, you can have this guy now, okay, see one, you can see the way he's doing it. But he's worshiping another God. I don't know the God. He always say Godfather. He doesn't worship God. But your own, worship Chukwu, worship Yahweh. You do Saturday, you can do Sunday, but bring even corporate tradition inside it. Because those people that you're preaching to, many of them, their money have been corrupted because of one person have steal their money. One person have pregnanted somebody they know. One person have defrauded them. One reverend father have poured on one hand too. Now they don't want to hear those things. They want to talk. I was in Anambra 3 months when I stayed there. If you're preaching to people, they don't give audience like before. You know that something have gone wrong. Something have Lagos, they still listen to you. When you go to Ibadan, if you're preaching, you look at you're just wasting time. Because of what? Mathias, there are many there. They are nearly every day talking. You know, anything people hear, keep hearing, be like music now. When you keep on promoting something, it becomes real. Now, this thing is not them that promote it. Now it's Biafra. Mazi Nadikari promoted Igbo tradition, telling you about Igbo. He never told you about idol worship. Mazi Nadikari is against Mary worship. He told you Jesus is Zeus. He told you about idols. He doesn't worship idols, but he believes in tradition. So these are the things we must not run away from. We must, inside church, we will start. You can't just use all Jesus inside church. Nothing wrong with it. If you want to hear, hear. If you don't want to, my own, I will tell you before I'll start it. Nothing wrong there. Nobody to use orgy to pray. In our culture, we use it to pray. The Bible is your culture. Occultic people use Bible. Freemasons use Bible. Natives also use Bible. The Holy Sacrament you're talking about is in the hands of occultic man and witches and wizards. They have it. So, people like Ebuka Obi, I will not expect you 2025. If I cannot say Mary, did rosary, did what? People like Mbaka with your level, with your respect, with everything, with your knowledge, with your education you have as a PhD holder, seminary, even if other people don't want to do the right thing, you should be the first to remove all those idols. Remove the white Jesus, remove the white Mary. Tell them that people already know that Jesus is a black man. Even if you want to put, why wouldn't you put African black Jesus? That's why I have that song, Jesus Born. Because when I went to Israel 2018, I asked question. I went to Israel with Nyedipo. Redeem. We paid almost 300,000 on that trip. We are like more than 50 pastors already. They used to do that trip every year. So when I went to there, now we worship Saturday. I asked question when we are going around. I said, but when we came to Israel, all of us keep Sabbath. Then when you come to Nigeria, you don't keep Sabbath. So what is different from Nigeria and Israel? Is it not the same timing? Is it not the same God? Why wouldn't all of us? That's when I finish and ask many questions. I already started in 1990. We already do Sabbath. So, but along the line, you can be doing the right thing when the same majority kind of vote. You can be doing the right thing, maybe because of people are not following what you're doing. You now see where people are crowd. You think is they are doing the right thing. You leave your own originality and begin to follow them. That's why this time somebody comes and say, hey, this is look at Oyeze. Look at I don't care. Oyeze know they do Sabbath. Oyeze know the Catholic boy. In the mode Mary, they see me the mode any Jesus, the mode anything. They are not the same. Mbaka, what's not Mbaka Mbaka, all of them that come out from a Catholic, Odumenje, all of them that worship him, but Queen of Heaven, they don't know God. Both Jeremiah, I want to follow them by the same. You forget that I'm the one that told him Dibia is going to die because Dibia doesn't know God. All of them are Freemason. They perform miracles. It is condoning power. I'm here to tell you. So you think I come out? Am I running away from Nigeria? Am I not moving freely? Am I using escort? I'm moving freely, but they say touch not the anointing and did the prophet to her. I and the touch not the anointing because if you read a prophet, you won't be afraid of anybody to speak. And whatever you speak is not against any man. It's just to speak to save people. For me not to speak against Ebuka Obi, God will punish me because there's millions of people leading astray. For me not to speak against TB Joshua, God will punish me because there are millions, thousands of people. That's why they say, he that more have been given, I require more. So God require more from me because I have 1.16 million angels. I've been reviewed. I've seen first heaven, second heaven, and third heaven. I've been on the ground to fight war. I have seen many things. So why do I see those things? Many of you don't know that Mary is the queen of heaven. You don't know. But we know this. That is where you go to Shapre to look at the dam. That snake. That snake. I have the book here. Snake. That is a symbol. That's why people be tell you, if you don't read the rosary, the snake will pursue you. If you're reading that rosary, you're entering the covenant. The covenant will cover you. You become more blindfolded. If you stop reading the rosary, the demon will pursue you. That's why you look at it. If I don't read rosary, I'm having bad dream. No, it's they coming to tell you, make you so you will be afraid to read it. So you can enter more. Even before you can come up for Roman Catholics and enter, it's a very big battle. It's a very big. It can say no pastor can deliver you if the person is not in that with power. Before I can deliver people for Roman, I know the kind of battle I fought. Different demons. They told me they will close my church. I have been in a mountain. 2020. When I fought, they said I should take billion and leave the gate to that. I said no. They said they're going to close my church. What happened? Land fall. The mountain I built fall. Over how many million? Close to 10 million naira just went down the drain. I think it's today. 2016, I was sent to Anambra State. I was in Oka. Mbaka Ebuka to go and there ask about Prophet Yahweh. I fought. Where I was is an idol that is there. I pursue the idol and take over the land. I don't tell you, go and do the search. If it's not truth. The videos are somewhere, they will look for it. I don't have time for this. Even also, they will see. Don't worry, I will be teaching you why I cannot worship idol. I will tell you people that idol have killed. I will tell you, see, this is what Akwa Okuku is doing. Do you know that they invoke? It's like you bringing a to your house. They come and invoke different demons. That demon have taken place in your place to portray the new here. You're still battle with ancestral power. You know about the name with the new one. In our in a see, you can call him this shit as an ancestral. People don't die. You can call him as this shit. You can pray and call them. But don't pray to idol. Don't pray for what you don't know. This shit. Fine. Fine. If you know them. What about if you call the Indian shit, come be calling this shit when they come with the demons and begin to torment your family, how will you be able to come out? You now start looking for pastor that will pray for you free. Because these people, they will make sure that your money is finished. If what I'm saying is not the truth. I hope I'm not offending anybody. But if we don't call their names, then mean we're talking to three. Mbaka no call Ebuka Obi name, but he was talking to him. Ebuka Obi no call my name, but he was talking to me. But me, I will call your name because I want to. I am sure of what I'm saying, not blackmailing you, not lying against you. Anything I say, you can use your phone and go eat. You don't need to go anywhere. He said people should don't go to water and pray, but he went to Israel, he go to water. What is different from the water of Galilee and the one in Nigeria? They're the same thing. So leave all those manipulation, deception. Go to water and pray. Don't go and watch mommy water. If you have to have water, pray with water. That is really so. What is so different? You are selling the water. Water is supposed to give people free. But selling, see it. See my own water. Make it not say I don't get water. See, this is my. I don't sell my water. I have my oil. I don't sell it. In the program we did in Anambra, say it was free. Would that ship people free? Because of what? I have partners. People can go to church and waste all their money. Finish. Tomorrow they say I have people that went there and spend 10 million. People coming from America, you should start advising those your members. Not every time as they come, some who carry out the money they have worked for 20 years and live abroad, and live UK, and live America, and come back after they finish the program, they go back and go broke. Tomorrow they say God is fake. This is how that you people should advise people. Yes, let them enter brochure. They can pay partner. They can do something. You do prayer for them, mass prayer, or you can pray for them online. All those international visitors, let them not be spending all their money coming to Nigeria, and then most of them will go back and lose their faith. Do you know how many people that lost their faith after your program? You think they're not calling me? Do you know? I know how many people that have come to Zion, came back and enter my partner. If we talk it, if you want evidence, we'll show you. We have evidence. Thousands. You want physical people that come to your church and still come to me for deliverance and healing. He's there. Because when they come for you, you don't see them. You come for camera, heal one person, you put it on the internet, they post it everywhere. People are clapping for you. I've raised it. Have you anybody posted it? Have you HIV? Have you posted it? Have you cancer? Have you posted it? Nobody share it. Because you paying bloggers. Do I have to start paying bloggers? What about everybody start paying bloggers and what will happen? That's why people are calling fake. You're paying bloggers to be promoting you. We have people like Babara, nobody paid bloggers. We have Besi Dahosa. They do power. Power is power. Power would announce itself. You're paying bloggers to be shutting other people down. They'll be promoting you. Anything that been under lies can't start. That's why people be able to know. Because once you keep on lying, you will keep on. If you lie one lie, you will lie 1 million lies. If you lie one, you have to lie 1 million lies to cover the lies. There's no need for that. It can help God. If now one people they watch my, it's okay for me. If now 2 members, it's okay. Preach to those 2. Let them repent. Let them have power. People are following you without power. That's why people like Mathias, J-Pack, they may Ijo will come and make noise, they finish, and they go and carry idol. J-Pack is stay with you for almost 1 year. They still leave you and go to Akwa Okuku. What does he prove? There's no power there. A Shanamite leave you and go into idols. These are the things. You know, I want to say this is Church of Satan. Because how can somebody that is homosexual and they do not want to not get in your church? Because they want to be everywhere. And the Bible told you, say, if the world love you, you're not of God. Any pastor that the world love you, mark them. All of you, Ebuka, Jeremiah, all of you that have crowd, they have no God. You are working for Queen of Heaven. And you're not hiding it. Mary is a catechist. Mary is mother of God. How did Mary become mother of God? Jesus Christ told you that he's God. Give us one verse that Jesus called himself God. Jesus never said, if you love me, keep my Father commandment. I said, Master, teach us how to say, our Father who art in heaven. So these are the teaching. So if I talk if you come and be hacking my page. Because you don't want the truth. Tell people the truth. Forget all this crowd of things. We have seen it. I've done program with him. I don't need it. We have to say people. Because if you eat too much, you carry kidney problem. If you eat too much, you will carry diabetes. All those money you make, people will eat that. So why wouldn't you start now? Start telling people the truth. Because you must tell them the truth. You must remove those Mary. You must remove all those things. You must remove those. When Shaddai is a foundation. Corrupted mind is corrupt. When the foundation has been destroyed, corrupted, what will let us do? You are standing under satanic church. Are you not telling me that you don't know? I have sons and daughters in Italy. I have healed somebody from HIV in Italy. I have healed somebody from cancer in Italy. He said, go to your pope. He said, no, pope don't know God. They told you. They are witches and wizards. They know. You think you know more people. I don't have people that is in America. You know, when I was doing live program, people are calling me. You know, see people, they will come for Italy. They're going to tell you, say, the guy said, I'll be first person who will take asylum from Nigeria. They tell you what thing they happen. Say they worship different. They worship God. They worship different things. You go and pray for dead spirits. You have Convanet of Freemason. And you call here a charter. You got to say, if you got you don't that place you want to pray for same job. Bible say that shall not pray to spirit of death. Let us not talk about these things. Okay, because it's Roman Catholic, you're big. Other ones are fake. You're the real fake people. I don't care. The page is there. Want to hack? Go on and hack the page. See my backup page. Zion City or the Yahweh Synagogue, Lagos. That's my backup page. Follow it. Then follow my because I can't leave it for Nmiri, Mathias, Akwa Okuku, and this. I come and be shouting Jesus. No. I am Akajo for Chukwu, one of Igbo, and I have to go there where we go drag up, go to balance out. They go to, I go to open. Either they join me or they run. That's it. After they join to tell the people the truth or the wrong. But if we leave them for them, people are going back to demon. Sometimes they go to demon. Demon will give them money. They think is the way. Tomorrow they start having problem. We have failed. You have failed in your work. It's not about shouting. People that are supposed to be built in the God, they left them. They will go and be joining occultic kingdom, joining marine kingdom. Don't you know that even that thing that he went to shoot God in Mathias that people did is what promoted Mathias. Mathias was only in Onitsha before. Where other people are now went to intimidate him, he now have friends. People now came from Abuja, open for him. People now came from Lagos. People now came from everywhere. So he can't fight like that. He will fight by encountering what they are doing. Mathias is using Jesus to fight you. You go to Amadioha, use it to fight him. Amadioha don't want equals, don't want idol. Amadioha, you tell them, no, this is not. If you want to watch the true God, yeah, Zion, we are men in that church. You open it. Let them be doing everything they're doing in that place. You see, people will come to the truth. But why by leaving for Mathias? You come every time, you say, hey, Jesus is fake. Jesus don't kill, okay. Jesus don't kill a calf. Yeah, they look at it, people are dying. Church will fall somewhere. So people know they die for men and that. Men know they give people witchcraft. Men know they keep people. Men know they do you. But then they tie people down. But then they tie woman down. These are the things. You need the teaching. Say you're fighting for Jesus. Do you know Jesus? Do you know Jesus? No. Fight for what you know. Fight for Chukwu that you're sure of. The one they will understand. Language you know. That's why they say if you go to Rome, do like Rome. You're not in the Israel. You're not in the this thing. You're not in the Rome. You're in Nigeria. You're in Igbo land. They want to win your people. Now, if you are giving them what they don't understand, many of them are enlightened. If Mathias say it, not only Mathias is saying it. We have said that Jesus is fake long time ago. That's why I will stop calling Jesus. I used to have Jesus' picture on my press. I tear it. Before Mathias came and said, I tear it. I tear it, burn it. I used to have Jesus in my gates. If you want, I can show you. I used to have it. But it's useless that you know this is not the truth and you're still presenting it to people. To this modern age, 21st century, people have 2024. People already know that Mary is not the true one. Jesus is not the true picture. Then you're saying there every night he is there. You're doing open heaven. People that are wise, they'll tell you this one. They are the one making the videos. People are living in Italy there. They are making videos telling them, oh, this one and worshiping Satan. Not like calling me and saying it. I'm only bold to tell you so you can get sense as a brother. But you take it and I'm doing this. But you come and be calling me fake. How do I become fake? Because I went to water. Are you a prophet? I'm a spirituality. We are the African. Jesus is not a foreign man. Jesus is a spirituality. And any pastor who cannot understand spirituality, you're not matured. You're a baby. It's not all about carrying Bible. It's not about prophesying. There's some problem you need to solve spirituality. Jesus never open. Some people just say, go to water and bath 7 times. That's spirituality. Take sand and clean something. That's so many patterns, not one pattern. So I must not come and do your Elijah pattern. It was different. Jesus' pattern was different. All of us can do the same thing. So if I don't pray the way you're praying, every morning you come out, you every night you come out. So I will come and all of us will come out every night. Well, who watch you? No, you don't need that. That is competition. We're not into that. I mean, Judaism. Judaism don't have crowd, but that's the truth. That's light. Email direct to the right prophet, you Sabbath, you know you have been saved. There's a lot of fake Sabbath prophet. I'm not here to promote anybody. There's a lot of occultic Sabbath. That's why this one is not Sabbath. This is just to do the will of God. I am not doing church. This is mountain. You can't even see me this year. Nobody sees me this year. I'm not a pastor. I'm a prophet. Prophets are not meant to be seen every time. If we come out, we'll come out for a mission. 2024, we came out. The mission is we're coming to tradition. That is real. You can't fake it. You can't stop back to the roots. Because people get wise. Now, the same way people are getting Biafra, because they know the truth. They don't want to be under slavery. Everyone wants to know the truth. You're still telling them about Jesus. When people are getting wiser every day, you're talking what I've been hearing for over how many years? No. Forget it. This is not a Christianity. Should have wisdom. I was born as a Christian. I've read. I've grown. You can't continue. Whatever that is fake, you can't continue teaching your children. You're drinking mineral. I find out people that take mineral so much, they get diabetes. You have your children, you're still allowed them to drink mineral. When I have diabetes, you're looking for million to go and do kidney problem. I don't know diabetes cause the kidney problem. Diabetes is what causing cholesterol, causing kidney problem. You're giving them indomie. You don't know that indomie, these are starch. You shouldn't give them indomie. You should be giving them something that will give them healthy. So they don't learn. Every time you give them indomie, before they get to 25, they have kidney problem. Yes. Small children go to hospital. They have kidney problem. You don't check them BP, you don't check nothing. You just get every time indomie. You're raising woman, they can't cook. You can't do better sauce for them. Every time mineral coke, this one, buy biscuit, buy bread, give them. No, go and buy juice. If it's one a week, let them drink water. Teach them, let them grow with that. Cure your family from hospital. That money you're spending in hospital, unlike if you practice what I'm telling you now, it will save million in a year. Starting from now, buy juice and give your children. Remove mineral, remove coke, remove all those useless drink for your house. Remove all those indomie from your house. You will see that the rate of sickness your children be sick will come down. I have cholesterol before. Why? I don't have time to cook. I will go to Chicken Republic. I'll buy like 20 plates of food. I'll keep in the fridge. I'll go and buy chicken. I'll keep in the fridge. All those are maggi. They say now want to toxin because that's not my system. See what you cure and water. Water. Stop eating. I will go and onubu. I go match onubu. I God. Because which drug you want to drink? More you drink drug, more the thing destroy your cell. Nation. So going back to tradition, not to worship idol, it's like going back to taking the life to eating healthy. Because anything that somebody told you out of life is not healthy for you. It's like food now. You gotta eat chemical food, you don't know what they use to mix it, you don't know anything they put inside. We had a corned beef, sometimes they use one beef, sometimes they use pig. Those are the food that God says you shouldn't eat. So when you're eating alcohol, if you see somebody that eat alcohol, you see how the person will look ready. You're eating watermelon yourself, you will know yourself. That's why those things are getting expensive. Last 3-4 years, things are watermelon 200 naira, very big. Nobody take now. People are getting wiser because everybody's sick now. Go to hospital. They won't tell you. Now, when doctor loves you, they'll tell you go and take fruits, go for exercise. That's why I see genes are making money. Why our forefathers live long before? Because they go a lot of journey. How you do Lagos? You don't go anywhere. You don't go to farm. You don't go anything. From office to car. From why you don't go sick? High blood pressure. Cholesterol. All the food I eat is there. You didn't break. You know the fast. That's why if you're fasting can even break the sugar and break some things. That's why I see most of the pastors, they are not sick like that because of that fasting they do, that thing they used to do. That fasting is part of healing. If you have sugar, fast. The fasting will break the sugar, it will go down. Your BP will come down, your sugar level will come down, your cholesterol will come down fast. Stop eating too much. Eat once a day for 1 month. You see that your weight will come down, the sugar will come down. If you do dry fasting, don't eat from now to tomorrow. Drink water. The sugar will be breaking. The fat will be breaking. That's why they say diet. If you're sick now, you go home and say diet. Then if you do the diet, then you can't sick. They will say stop drinking alcohol. Stop eating fatty food. Stop drinking mineral. So that then why wouldn't you stop now? You're okay. Do you want to be in the hospital and spend 5 million before you now know that taking all those nonsense junk food is sickness to you? The same way you're giving people word of God, you're giving them raw rice. It's making them dumb. That's why people will be afraid when they come out, they say occultic people. The occultic people, witchcraft, they teach their people to become warrior. Now, when I come out and harass occultic people, we say, you don't like the way the pastor is doing. Do I look like a pastor too? God forbid, I don't want to be like pastor. Pastor are people like John the Baptist, they cut his head. Jesus Christ, they nailed him on the cross. Elijah is a warrior. David is a warrior. He fight war and die by himself. Nobody killed him. Check out the people that do smith. You will die. They'll cut your head. People that fought kingdoms, nobody killed them. Moses fights on his own. He died. Nobody killed him. He fought many kingdoms. David fought many kingdoms and died by himself. Fought many kingdoms. Elijah fought many kingdoms and died by himself. Who John the Baptist fought? He came again. He became John the Baptist. Many of you don't know that. If I talk about incarnation, I say, no, but if you don't know that Elijah was not New Testament, was John the Baptist. And then Ebuka Obi is reading by saying, I don't believe in reincarnation. But Elijah came back as John the Baptist. And they claim you're John the Baptist. That means you don't even know anything about spirituality. Elijah came as Elijah. He was so aggressive. He was so powerful. He was then so dangerous. People are scared of him. He came back second time. He was so calm. A little girl cut his head for his birthday. Elijah that command bears, he came out and eat people. That's time to be calm. Everyone can be calm. He explained to be like Ebuka Obi. Why are we in the same mission? Ebuka Obi is just evangelist. I'm a prophet. I can be here now, scatter the whole kingdoms. The battle I fought within a day will take Ebuka Obi maybe 10 years. You can't fight it. It's not about gathering people. Things that gather people with it. You say you get power or you know God. No. That is it. Rehoboam can gather crowd. He's not a prophet. He come and do program. People gather. He do miracle. He's not making a prophet. Prophet is for assignment. We came for assignment. When the kingdoms are rising, we came. That's why our message is different. It's very haughty. It's very powerful. You don't like it. Any message you love is not. It does not a message. Any message you love is not a message. How can you love a message? They say truth is bitter and you love it. That is not. Is that message? That is nonsense. That is crap. Are we doing briefing? Me and you know that sex movies what say. If I come and bring naked people every time on my page now, you see this page now will go to 2 million views. If I come and bring a shower girls on my page now, if you see they come and they naked and dance, they are Christian, ex-Christian, they should come and be dancing, giving them money. 100,000, come and dance. You see this page now, you go to 2 million. Girls will come all over the whole world. Is that not why you go out to destroy Solomon? Solomon was destroyed because of love of a woman. He lived his work. Solomon never fought any war. But he's busy eating the glory of his father. And he became enemy of God. A woman brought a satanic, bring Ichiba came with their idols. That will destroy this thing. So any church you see that woman is so much have no power of God. No. Because if you have the truth, women they are very, very designing spirit. They know. They know who is who and they know when they come to deceive. And many of them that is marine, they know where they go and hide. Yes. Even like us, they don't know. How many women you see they watch my page? No, they don't. They just come and look and they know the truth. Yeah. Women, they have eye more than you. When they have real problem, they know where they go to solve the problem. I have the one calling me this afternoon. A woman is a Roman. If they have problem, they know where they go to solve the problem. I said, go to your Reverend Father. They say, hey, this one. Let me see if I have the voice. It is a woman no get sense. They have sense, they have wisdom. When they have problem, they know where they will go for their solution. I think it's all right. I don't know if the voice was. Let me see. I'm going to be stopping here. Drop your message. Please help me to share. You're reporting my page. Help me to share. Please help me follow my new page. Let me like them here. Everybody should just go and follow. Help me to follow. Follow this high priest. High priest Dr. Dibia. That's my backup name. In case this page, I not say they on the JPAG, they were reporting the page. So I'm reporting the page. So all the bloggers, they're hitting this page. That's why even the program I did in the morning, I couldn't share it. I tried to share it, I couldn't share it. Just this evening, I said they reported me the page yesterday because that video I did for JPAG, they don't like them. They're not going to like them. Why do you think they're hacking my page? And they make one another with Facebook. Just send me to share. Share this message, go to one person. I believe we have talked already. So it should be tomorrow. But this message should go to every Christian home. Jesus, if you don't like the truth, then continue. Continue praying to Mary. It's your choice. I'm not say come to my church before you say I'm looking for a member. Stay, go to your church. My own, I say, let us do the what will help everybody. Because why people deceive our people is this. They not come so that our people love to worship idol. They came, they brought Mary and the Jesus, give to them. From there, they divert them from the idol, give them another idol. So if you don't give people something similar to what Eweilo is giving them, Mathias is giving them, Akwa Okuku is giving them, if you don't give them something like that, all of them are people will be losing. So you have to give them something, not like you're giving them Satan, you're giving them in exchange of that idol, now give them God, but in that same form. Let me tell you, oh, hey God, let me go to Hajj. Nothing there. These are the things. Tuonumwa Akajofo Chukwan of Igbo land. God bless you. Or Chuka Dibia. Adamaka. I am here for Alusi. I am here for many. We carry word. I joke with you. Get the last. Forget the heads. Forget heads. Get the fire. Get you know so much Dibia. Also my Nmiri. I can look at your mom. I can look at your mom. Because I better can't do what I want. Akwa Okuku. Because it's so good. I vow not to lie to my people. All comment. Authority and power. I catch you for one of Igbo land. I catch you for Chukwu. I broke off for Arab Dragon. I broke off for Igwes. Yahweh. That one is much more. We're coming. We're gonna shoot. We're gonna bring them down. Don't worry. Trust me. Jesus, don't worry. No. I ain't want to do fun. We're going to the taxi. Oh, when we send the sinner Jesus. Nanya. When get to Jerusalem, Jesus is holy. Jesus will never attack. Jesus will walk with you. Jesus will walk with you. Jesus will walk with you. Jesus is the all covered. Oh no. Jesus is holy. Jesus is holy. Oh, when he found the sinner, Jesus. When Garana Jerusalem. Oh, God. God bless you. Please make sure you drop your comments. Make sure you share the telecast. Support the program. Click love and click like. And follow my new page. Jesus is police. Now all the mountains are your Jesus is police. I reach a Chukukadi, why Yahweh love Israel. No. Oh, what do you think this in Jesus? When can on Nazareth? You want to go cooking. Don't just look at your deck all day. You want to how will you sway your deck? No name. How would I say now? We are even many. How would I say now? Buru many behind. Asamu that Jesus is going on. No. Akụkọ bụ nke mere eme na 2009 ndị ọcha nwere uwe obodo ndị nna nna anyị nwanne. Ọ bụ na agbara ụzọ were mgbe anyị ga ha ama na ọ na-eji ihe. Oke soro ngwere ma mbibi kọcha ngwere ọgakọ n'oke nwe. Ewebere ibe ebere kesi ibere kụkasịa ya. Ndị ọcha egbughị anyị n'obodo. Ndị ọcha emega rue. Ọ na-ezega elu ntị Jizọs bụ Umuchukwu ka abịa ya ka jisi na Jizọs bụ nwanne anyị. Jizọs bụ onye Anambra ndụ. Jizọs bụ onye Enugu steeti nwanne. Jizọs bụ onye Owerri Imo steeti. Ewu Chineke bụ Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Ọkara mụrụ ọkara mmụọ anụ gaga mmiri anụ na mgbe gbọrọ akpa nri ọ dị ya wee Chukwu ka Dibia akaji of Chukwu one of Igbo land authority and power. Jesus back in Jesus back at Jesus how come? Jesus bụ onye Igbo nwanne m. Jesus bụ onye Igbo. obodo ekwerugo Chukwu ka dị ọ bụrụ ikpeta wepụta na nwere onye mmadụ karịa mmadụ David Yahweh onye isi agha abịago n'ụwa ọ mụrụ ya n'otu Defana Mbara steeti ka iji abịa ịnọchie n'ụzọ agbara ufidi kirie Arụsị Chukwu ka dibịa ọkara mmadụ ekwukwe ndị ime anyị ọnọchie ike dịrị n'ọkọtụ geti ike dịrị n'arụsị eze nwanyị na-agba n'ọsọ dị mmụọ mmiri na-agba n'ọsọ dibịa oke ite na-agbara m ọsọ anyị abịakwanụ na nke ikpeazụ Jizọs bụ onye Igbo ọmụ a Jizọs a na-afọ anya bawa aka ji ọfọchukwu one of Igbo na-adị onye na ya wee na-ama aka nwa m anya na-ama aka anyị karịrị mmadụ karịa mmụọ n'ihe Jizọs bụkwa ọkụ na-agba ọzara ọmụnwa bụ Jizọs a na-afụ anya n'elu ụwa ike gburu agbara gbuo amoosu anyị bụ ike Pentikọst wee bịa ike eji ebunye ego ike eji eme n'ife ike nana mmụọ pawa ọ bụrụ Igbo onye Igbo is not a partner. You're on the wrong thing. This is the only true worship, the true way to worship Chukwu Okuke. Join the Igbo Liberation Zion City. God bless you. +234 903 222 6076. Achineke Gozolo. Wachineke. Ọ ga-adị n'ụwa. Ọ bụrụ na Chukwu gozie ego n'elu ụwa. Chukwu gozie ego n'elu ụwa ka anyị nwere obi nwanne. Ị nọ na Amerika, ị nọ na Mozambique, ị nọ na Ghana, nọ na China, ị nọ na Hong Kong, onye si nke ntị onye Chukwu mere eze. What is written is written. Nwanne m Chukwu bunye elu chetakwana n'ọsọ onye enwe echi onye bụ isi ga-agba eze ejiri webe ọnụ ụmụ David Yahweh ka enwere obi nwanne Chukwu gozie ego gozie ndị ọzọ ị nọ na Kabanchan ị nọ na Italy ka enwere obi nwanne ị nọ na Nigeria ị nọ na South Africa ị nọ na Dubai Emirates ị nọ na Philadelphia nwanne m ọkwụ na-etise ebulu ihe Arụsị Chukwu ka dibịa nwanne na Chukwu ka dibịa kwado ya koribe Koribe, Chukwu ga-eburu bilion. Ka enwe n'obi nwanne n'ụmụ ụwa. Ọkọ mere. Do you know what is happening? Do you know that all the bloggers, all the pastors, all the reverend fathers, all the Ebuka Obi, all of them, they come back and watch my video. Now, you see people are watching that 13 people have been, come back in next 1 hour. Ask yourself, why does this boy, if you make video, if you come from my life, you will not see, because they don't want you to know that I watch him. All the pastors here might watch my video. All the native doctors here might watch my video. All those, if I do program finish, go and watch as we go there. All those, they start doing something similar to what I do. If I say something now, you go and watch Ebuka Obi preaching. He will come and preach the same similar to what I preach. He will now package it and they say it in the crowd. He will now come out and crap. What did they preach? We have 12 people watching. Come back in next 1 hour. The video don't reach like 300 people. Who are those people that are watching it after this time? And they will come and pretend I don't know what I'm saying. They will watch my video finish. They will go and package it and sell on their own page. Who is free who? No. Now go, they come watch my video. I come for videos on my video. They don't reach 1 million, 2 million some places. Who they watch them? No. I don't know what they talk. Now who they watch them? 17 people are watching. Come back to the video now. Check the views. We don't reach like how many? 400. Come back in next 1 hour. The video don't reach 1,000 or 800. Who watch it? These are the pastors. These are reverend fathers. These are native doctors. All of them come to my page. If I talk, they will come and receive. If I do what I offended, they will report to my page. That's why sometimes I can't share video. If they hear what I talk, if once you touch them, they will go, please share the telecast before they will come and share it now. If you don't share it now, you will come back, you cannot share. Share it. Please help me to share. I not say give me money. I not say just share the video. Let it go viral. This message, all the people must hear it. We must go back to the root. Root is not about worshiping idol. We're against worshiping idol. We're against Okite. We're against Mame Water. But we're not against our nation. We're not against truth. That is the truth. If you don't want to hear, you hear tomorrow. If you say have Jesus in your house, go and throw it. If you have made in your house, go and throw it. The same way you throw them. If you have minerals in your house, go and throw them. If you don't want to seek diabetes, you used to have too many Indomie. If you eat that one, not buy another one. Buy water, your house. Don't be drink alcohol. If you go to club, you drink small. Don't buy in your house. Because if you buy in your house, you keep on drinking. For your kidney will get problem. Carry them out. Dash it to people. Free yourself from demons. The alcohol that control demons is called alcohol. Go and check it on the internet. Once you drink it, that spirit will drag you. You'll be like, wait, where is that Masibuti? It's a spirit of masturbation. What that spirit enter you, it can't go out. Be like lesbian is able to. Okay, if you want to. What girl is there? Once that spirit enter you, you're gone. It's an initiation. It's an initiation. It's like when you're addicted to drugs. You can't stop. I've seen people sell their car because of drugs. People sell their house because of drugs. That's how it be. Anything that is evil is easy to attract people. That's why I see BBA. Girls are spending millions, go and do their yash. Tomorrow they're going for dialysis. Oh, they're going for sickness. Do their breast. Cancer everywhere. This is it. Anything that is evil is easy to achieve. But truth is hard. Truth. Somebody said drink water. I say no, you don't like water. I like wine. Every time wine. What do you know that is content of the wine? You gotta drink bitters. You kill your kidney, die. And all those bitters are very bad. A percentage of alcohol. Weigh them. All those energy drinks, stop drinking it. Go and buy fruit. Buy watermelon. Buy this one. Buy pineapple. Don't eat too much pineapple. You have too many acid. Buy grape. Buy apple. Eat vegetable. Learn how to cook in your house. Stop eating outside. Maggi. Too much Maggi is too much. Salt and Maggi, it keep people. Cook in your house. Once you eat outside, stop snacks, stop pizza, stop all those things, stop shawarma. If you want to live long, and what I get, I give you. My duty is not, I don't care whether I want to give me 1 hour or not. If you can't give me, go to your, I don't care. I'm here, I'm rich. Any money that I'm looking for now is just to help people. And I don't go kill myself. I don't go join Okko because I want to do church, make it a crap for me. I'm not interested. How can I continue? I'm here to tell you the truth. I have power to do anything I want to do. Any country I want to go, I can go. I want to get to America tomorrow, I get visa. I get invitation and they reject them, different countries. God no one make a travel. God no one make a travel. I will not go there here this period now. I'm just preparing myself for January. January 4th and 5th is Igbo. So anyone that want to see me, I'll be there. There will be food, there will be drink. I'll give her free water. It's not program. Just come and know where I started my ministry. There you can pray. And I can pray for you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Share the telecast. Follow my new page. High Priest Dr. Chukwuka Dibia is the page. Follow it. This one. Now that place I'm going to do anything concerning tradition. Like a watch. I just made this program to clear everywhere. So in case if you see me doing those things, not like I'm doing it just to make sure my people do not go astray. So I'll be doing Inzu, I go bring all those things, I go bring all we have to teach them. Because if you don't, we're not there to teach them. People who are taking them to Maran Kingdom. People are like me, we're taking them to idols. No. These are the nation. Our father did it. Nothing wrong with Inzu, nothing wrong with Oji, nothing wrong with Edo. These are natural something. The only thing that's something wrong with is going to worship idol. It's going to do no kid. It's going to do all those occultism. The same thing in the church. If you're in the church, still do occultism. It's the same thing. So they're everywhere. You just have to preach the right thing. So now people have known that Jesus is not the name. Why wouldn't you start calling him Yeshua? So let us do that. Then we have known that this picture is Zeus, is Greek goddess. Why wouldn't you stop it? Let me move it to your church. You're still living there. You're doing more harm to our people than good. If you think you're gathering crowd, you're not where you're gathering crowd for your master setup. You're not gathering crowd. Or if you're gathering crowd from God, anything you know, like you see that redeemed pastor, when you find out people are talking about tithe, this is what I say. If you don't pay tithe, you don't go heaven. You come out and say no, you know what in talk, say a mistake. That is it. So the earlier time they come out and remove all those remove all those men, remove all those nonsense. Tell people, oh, it's a mistake. Now I know the truth. Case close. When you leave it there, start telling them it didn't marry. Is it not better? Are you not evil? Are you not occultic, man? When you know lie, you're still telling people the lie. Bible say he that lies of Satan. When we talk it now, he say want to call police. Call police for who? Call police up. God bless you. Share the telecast. I still remain Prophet Yahweh Dibia. As long as truth, I'm going to speak the truth. And anybody that tries us, the Almighty God or the angels, kill you and kill your family. Anybody that wants to stop the truth, that's why our people are going to hide up and down. And I say prophet, you believe a prophet should be like 11 father. Who told you prophet is 11 father? So I should do what they become. The boy that had problem that witchcraft is beating for 2 years. Is it not just here? See the prayer yesterday, it's done, the boy is free. You say, what are you talking about? Try and lock here. They do try and lock, that's the power. But does everything have the procedure? If it's a spiritual something, go and pray now. Why don't you carry the boy, go make a con to pray? Not gonna go carry and go to deliverance. I don't lie the truth. Because not be your pastor, they don't. But they still have them father, they bring masculinity inside church, nobody go talk. What in be them? But most of them go inside the jail. Nobody they talk. But if I made inside jail, it don't go diabolical. Somebody say, I'm not watch this kind of pastor, I watch I watch you on top, mother. I watch you on top, Papa. I watch you. I'm not gonna stop all those nonsense. If you don't want to be part of it, get out from there. Don't come and say me that I don't understand. You do not understand because you never understood anything. What you understood is lie. They told you Jesus is a white man, he believe. They told you Mary is God, he believe. That's a lie. It's what you believe. You don't believe truth. We will tell you the truth, you don't want to hear. You're hearing like you come here and tell me and I watch. When you don't watch, I watch it before. Came my cake. No, my cake. Everything you do is fake. You don't know cake is killing people. Sugar is killing people. No, that tawa cake, tawa pizza. In the go no phone na offense na this thing. Ofokro. We go pursue diabetes. They go they eat pizza. They eat this thing. Chicken burger and those things. Too many cholesterol. You go. We don't do those things. We learn from the masters. God bless you. Thank you very much. I am the PhD in spirituality. When you come for deliverance in spirituality, I am the PhD. solution of all kinds of spiritual problems. God bless you. Shalom. We are not coming to do tradition with intimate. We are coming to do tradition with power. Go match them. Then we'll go match them. Tradition, we'll go do it with power. When you come and have problem, we'll solve it. Then I mean, I say, tradition, all of us are doing it. We'll solve the problem. Those problems, Mathias said that God cannot heal. We will know whether you can avoid or can't avoid. You're going to say, I'm going to pray the show. So no need of fighting. Once you're fighting Mathias, hey, you're shouting. Leave him, let him shout Jesus. Leave him, growing. You go close down. But if you're shouting Jesus, you're going there to write, you're promoting him. Stop promoting the idiot. You think I look for something to do. You're not a prophet. You're not a Dibia. You're not confused. You're not up and down. Now, nonsense. God bless you. You're a Dibia, must have power, must possess power, authority, must have power to teach anything you want to teach. You can't teach anything something without any authority. You must have wisdom. 80% of what I say is wisdom that revealed to me in the spiritual world. I served over millions of people all over the whole world. Share the telecast. Thank you.